So now we are moving to find out another tension. How can we find it out? So we are moving towards the point B because we get it TDE, TCD or TDC or TBC. So now we are moving at point B to find out the TAB and theta also. So free body diagram FBD at point B. This is TBC and this one is TBA. So you can see this, if this is theta, so this will also theta. So I can write down theta here, and this one is angle 32 degree, and there is a weight is also there, so that is W1 equals to 330 pounds. So we have to resolve the forces into its components. So TBC cos of 32 degree, and here will be what? Here will be TBC sine of 32 degree. This angle is attached with the y-axis, so what we have to do, it will be minus TBA sine of theta, and this will be plus TBA cos of theta. So what we have to do, this is point B. So we are going to calculate sum of both the horizontal and vertical forces here to find out, because we two things are unknown, TBA and theta both. So first I am going to solve it. Summation of horizontal forces is equals to 0. So it will be what? Horizontal forces, so TBC cos of 32 degree minus TBA sin theta. So it is equals to 0 because there is no another force, horizontal force here. So we already got the value of TBC. So what is the value of TCB is 45.83. Cos of 32 degree equals to TBA sin theta. So therefore TBA sin theta equals to 45.83 into cos of 32 degree, 38.86, 38.86 equation 1, because TB and theta both are unknown here. So what I have to do now, I have to sum up vertical forces here. So I will get two equations and I have two unknowns, so then I will solve it simultaneously. Summation of F5, so positive TBA cos theta. There are three forces, these two and this one. So plus TBC sin 32 degree minus W1 equals to 0. So I will put the value of TBC, that is 45.83 sin 32 degree, and W1 is 330 equals to 0. So the answer will be 45.83 multiplied by sin 32 degree divided not divided by minus 330. So the answer will be 305.71. So TBA cos theta equals to, it will become positive 1, so 305.71, equation number 2. Therefore, so divide 1 by 2, because I will get sin upon cos. So divide 1 by 2, equation 1 by 2. So TBA sin theta upon TBA cos theta is equals to 38.86 divided by 305.71. TBA cancel. Tan theta is equals to, sin upon cos is equals to tan theta. So 38.86 divided by 305.71. So the answer will be 0.1271. So when I apply tan inverse on this, tan inverse 0.1271, so the answer will be 7.24 degree. So this will be the angle 7.24 degree. Now what I am going to do next, I will put the value of theta in equation, in any equation. For if you want to put in equation 1 or 2, it's up to you. For example, I am going to put the value of theta in equation number 1. So TBA sine of theta, I will put 7.24 degree is equals to 38.86 degree, not degree, it's in pounds. So TBA comes out to be how much? 38.86 divided by sine of 7.24 degree. So the answer will be 308.349 pounds. This is the way to calculate tensions. And if you want to write down results, so you can also write down the results. For example, I have to find out TBA, TBC, TCD or TDE. Is there any tension is left? Let me check it out. TBC, TCD, AB, BC, CD and DE and theta. So I can write its values. TBA is coming out to be 308.349 pounds. And the value of TBC is coming out to be 45.83 pounds. And the value of TDE is coming out to be 38.86 pounds. And the value of TDC 52.3 pounds. And the value of angle theta is 7.24 degree. So this will be your answer. Thank you so much. Hopefully you will understand the question and take care. Bye bye.